My name's Nick Schupbach. So I was born in San Antonio, Texas, at the Air Force Base when my dad was in the military. I didn't spend a lot of time in Texas. I actually grew up mostly in Colorado, Denver to be specific. It's always kind of been my home. I think one of my favorite things was always kind of being in a new place, meeting the new people, getting new friends. There's nothing more important to me than my family. Like, I grew up all over the place. I didn't grow up with parents that could stay together. And as soon as I decided that, I wanted to have a family, I decided that's going to be the most important thing in my life. There's nothing that's going to get in the way. I like traveling, I like work, I like doing all these different things, but there's nothing that'd get in my way. So motivation's pretty easy in life when I can say my family motivates me a lot, right? That's the simple answer. The more complicated one is that really I'm just driven. I can't stop. If I do bad, I feel bad. If I do good, I feel good, When I look at our guys out there in the field, at 2 o'clock in the morning, they motivate me more than anybody. All of a sudden I see JD over there busting his ass in the rain and doesn't even complain. You treat the people you work around like family, like you treat your own family. ESP is gonna keep growing that way. We're gonna have people in our office, in our field, and talking with each other, and it's just a cool thing to see something grow like that. It's like putting a peach tree in your backyard, and then, 5 years later, you eat your first peach, and you're like, whoa, that was good, We're actually the people you can trust. Honesty, ethics, and everything comes with everything that we do. If there's somebody that you can trust to actually get the job done and then be there and give you everything that it takes to get it done, then you know that they're the people for you in the future.